guys, Trew here. Today I'm gonna be doing something different. I ordered from Depo. Beauty Depot. I'm all slow. So I went ahead. So I ordered a few things. It came up to $65.76. Wait. Oh, okay. $65.76. I just got like hairpins, stuff to do with my hair for my birthday, and other accessories just so I can get free shipping. So let me hold this. So I got 300 bobby pins for $2.99. Next on the list is the bond glue. I actually bought 2 of these, but they only sent me 1. Like, then when I try to contact them about giving me 2, they just sent me back my little dollar. I didn't want the dollar. I wanted what I ordered. Like, that's something that I didn't like about the website. 12 clips. The duck clips were $1.99 for 12 clips. Then I have this wig weave cap. It is $1.59. Wasn't bad. It's cheaper than at the local beauty supply store. Then can't forget this. I had to try this out. Is the little thing to do your edges. What is it called exactly? Dual end edge brush and comb. I will leave the link to everything I got below. Then you can't forget natural hair, a jumbo rat comb. Ooh, yeah. And then lastly, I got the Bobbi Boss Fox Lots. So curly tips, 20-inch in the 1B. I got 9 of them. This is what I'll be doing for my birthday. 20-inch. The, what is it? Bobbi Boss crochet Fox Lots with the curly at the end. Let me actually take it out the box. Oh, well, you can see how many I bought. I bought a few because, you know, I have a big head. I will actually do a video on this, on how I did the Fox Lots. It'll be my first time doing the Fox Lots, so we're gonna see.
But hold on, wait. Did you subscribe? Click the bell, guys. Click, click, click.
So my first impression, I really like it. It looks really natural. Like, I don't know if you can see it like as much. Really natural. And then the curls at the end. I don't think it was bad. They were $5.99 each. I don't think it was bad. For my whole order, I told you it was $65.76. I really wanted to order from the website for the hair, but to get free shipping, I just ordered a little knick-knack items that I do want, but I didn't need. That's the thing with me and shopping. But other than that, so the shipping was pretty fast. The only thing that I didn't like was I didn't get the glue. And then they didn't just send a glue. They just sent me my money back. I really wish I had got the glue, because why couldn't you just send me it? Maybe I'll put this as my, what do you even call it again? I forgot. So this is not a review. It's just really an open box and how I felt. So I'll see you when I put this in. Bye, guys.
If you like this video and you want to see more of me, subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you in my next videos.